Okay, generator maintenance. This is about starting up the generator like every 30 days just to keep it, healthy. So what I've got here, I've got a Honda. It's a Honda EU7000is. It's fuel injected. Alright, here's your little gauge for the fuel there. And this is your exhaust side right down there. I've had this for about 5 years, I think, roughly, and I've done absolutely nothing to this. Now the battery's been dead, so let's see what happens. Alright, so you got it on, push this button, see, nothing happens. Alright, so if that's the case, we got that battery. Come over here and we'll open up this side door. You see that little, down there is a little symbol where you got the pull start. Open that up. Alright, there we go. There's the puller. Alright, let's make sure she's on. It is. Alright. Alright, let's give it a pull and see what happens. It's been quite a while since I fired it up. I'm going to have to set the phone down. Got pretty good compression.
Low idle's on, we'll turn that off. Now that's full bore right there, is what it sounds like. And I'm like 6 inches from the machine. So here's what it sounds like back here. Nice and quiet. Alright, we'll shut that back up. Throttle. Alright, now it's here, it says it's ran 99 hours. No volts. RPMs 2400. 14 volts it looks like. See, here's a switch for the 240 or 120. Here you got a 30 amp. Here's 4 20 amperes, and then here's 240 volts over here. That's 30 amp. Alright, then you can parallel operation outlets. Alright, so I'll let that run for about, I don't know, 15 minutes, half hour, something like that. Alright, to the next episode. Keep your generators healthy.